years and 3 years. So numbers and time can be combined like that. So we have 3 months and so on. 15 months. The reason why I don't sign 15 months is because we limit up to 5, like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, but in 6 months. So that's why I sign 15 months, 2 separate signs. 23 months. Week. 1 week. 2 weeks. If I say in 2 weeks, I move my hand farther out 2 weeks later, but 2 weeks I keep it short. 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and so on. 14 weeks, 2 separate numbers. 14 weeks, not 14 weeks. 7 weeks. Now for days, we have the same rule for days. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and so on. 17 days or 2 separate signs. 17 days, not 17 days. We don't do that. Hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and so on. 12 hours. Again, 2 separate signs. Minute or minute. Minute or minute. It doesn't matter which hand shape, minute or minute. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and so on. 45 minutes. Second. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and so on. 55 seconds. O'clock. Like 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Now, you notice when I say 2 o'clock, I don't say 2 o'clock, because if I sign 2 o'clock, that would really mean 2 separate times. First, you point to your time, and then 2 o'clock, not 2 times. It's different rule. 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and so on. Morning time 3:51. We will sign morning time 3:51 or time 3:51 morning. Pronoun and number can be incorporated together, same as time and number incorporation. 3 of us in a circle. 3 of us, that means including myself, the 3 of us. 5 of us. The 2 of you. Now you notice I'm moving side by side, not in a circle because I'm including myself. The 2 of you. The 3 of you. So when I have a concept of them, I go more to the side. 4 of them. However, separate signs for people and number. Both 8. Both 8. If you sign both 8, it would be impossible to read that from a perspective. So I would say both 8. Now for money. The rule for money is different. We sign by dollar. Sometimes dollar and numbers are separate. Sometimes they have a different rule. For example, $1. We don't sign $1. We say $1 by a twist. $1. $1. $2. $3. $4. $5. $6. $7, and so on, up to 10. But $13. $13. Cent. Why? Because a coin has a head on it, so we point for cent. Now you will notice that in American Sign Language, we have a rule of noun and adjective. Like in Spanish, you can have an adjective after the noun, like muchacha, bonita. So you can say cent 1 or 1 cent. It does not matter. You can say 5 cents or cent 5. 1 cent. 2 cents. 5 cents. A dime. A quarter. A $50. 74 cents. Sometimes when we combine dollar and cent, we eliminate the sign for cent because the dollar shows we're talking about money. So sometimes deaf people will say dollar and cent together or just dollar. For example, $3.45 or $3.45. $14.99 or $14.99. $299.95. Now, numbers will show first, second, and third in order, have their own rule. Like first place, second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. 1, you touch your palm and flick up. 1. Twice, double. Thrice, triple. Quadruple. Quintuple. Now fractions are very easy to do, really easy. 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, 1/16, 2/3, 3/4, 5/6. Decimal, just make a point for decimal. 0.1, 2.35, 67.455. Addition, add, addition. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 15 plus 34 or 15 plus 34 equals 49. You can say plus or plus, it makes no difference. 87 plus 33 equals 120 or 87 plus 34 equals 120. Subtraction. To take away, to remove, subtract. Take away 5 from 8 equals 3, or 8 subtract 5 equals 3. 38 take away 12 equals 26. $3.49 take away $1.50 equals $1.99. Multiplication. There are two simple signs I've seen for multiplication. First, you can make double 2 and cross it about a couple of times, or make the sign for multiply. I've seen multiply or multiply. Makes no difference. 5 times 5 equals 25. 12 times 12 equals 144. 23 or 23 times 3 equals 69. Now, for division, we can do it this way, division or divide. Division, division. Again, it makes no difference. 9 divided by 3 equals 3, or we can say 9 here, then 3 there, then 3 up here. But that's so awkward. I would say 9 divided by 3 equals 3, or 9, 3, 3. 25 divided by 2 equals 2, 12 and a half, or 25 divided by 2 equals 12.5 or 12 and a half. Now for chemistry. When you talk about chemical formula, water, H2O, H2O. Sugar, C12, A22, O11. Temperature, 96 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 degrees centigrade. And talk about length and height. Like my dad, he's 5 feet 8 inches. 5 feet 8 inches, my dad. 15 feet 6 inches. 2,450 kilometers. 455 centimeters. 3 centimeters, 55 millimeters, or 3.55 centimeters. And now telephone number. Telephone number, be ready for that. 800-955-8770. You sign the telephone number the way you pronounce the number, like 800-955, but sometimes people say 955 or 955-8770, or they might say 8770. Whatever, follow the way you pronounce the telephone number. 414-778-4576. 850 823 4040 or 4040. Social Security number. Again, the same rule. Pronounce the number the same way you say them. For example, 265 860736 389 58 64 42. Addresses: 339 Willow Green Drive, 811